Okay, because of my own screw up, I don't have a starter button. Thought I had one, but I don't. So I've ordered one. In the meantime, these are the two wires that will go to the starter button on the right-hand handlebar over by the throttle. They're over here so I can reach them. I'm going to just touch them together and show that the starter spins the motor. This is difficult. I have to do this while I do the video. So let's see if I can make these two go at the same time I show you the starter. And turning on the ignition key will help. There. Alright, so here we go. There you go. First spin. So I'm going to close up the primary case, put the oil in it, and probably set the bike aside for a couple of days while I try to find a switch locally or try to expedite the switches that I ordered. I ordered 3 and I need them.